Have you been involved in supporting or managing a healthcare trainee or student during their practice learning experience or placement? At HEIW, or Health Education and Improvement Wales, we are developing a toolkit to support not only healthcare trainees and students, but also practice-based staff and academics to actually support students or trainees who may raise a concern whilst they're working with you in practice settings. So to ensure that the toolkit is fit for purpose, we want to make sure that it reflects the experiences of practice-based staff and academics in how you support and manage concerns. So if you would like to share your stories, whether they're positive or more challenging encounters, then I would love to hear from you. To get involved, please drop me an email. You'll also have a certificate to evidence your involvement in the development of the toolkit to go in your portfolio. And for more information, click on the link or drop me an email, which is on the screen now. Thanks very much.